Hello and welcome back. I am here to give you a quick update on the euro and the upcoming German retail sales data that we are waiting for later today. The euro-USD pair is losing more ground after 3 consecutive days of losses. It was trading around 1.1660 during the Asian hours on Friday. As we are waiting for the key US data releases this month, the pair might remain under pressure as it has been in the last couple of days. So in this video, I will explain when the German retail sales will be published, what the market reaction might be and how it could affect the euro-USD price action. But before we go into all of that, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channels and make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future updates. Okay, so just to sum up the situation so far, the euro is down almost 3% against the US dollar this week alone, and it has been under pressure since the beginning of the month as we have seen a series of disappointing Eurozone economic data releases that showed a struggling economy and falling inflation, which made the European Central Bank end its stimulus program earlier this month. And now, we are waiting for 2 important data releases from Germany that will give us an insight into the current state of the German economy. First, we will get the preliminary August inflation data from Germany on Friday, which will be followed by the July retail sales data also from Germany next week. So when exactly are these data releases scheduled for? The preliminary inflation data is due for release today, on Friday, at 12 p.m. London time. And the retail sales data is scheduled for next week on Wednesday, August at 9 a.m. London time. Both releases are very important for the euro and the eurozone as a whole. If the data beats expectations, then it could bring some temporary relief to the euro, as it would show that the eurozone economy is not slowing down as much as previously thought and that inflation is starting to pick up again, which could mean that the ECB might start to increase interest rates sooner than expected. However, if the data disappoints, then we could see the euro coming under even more pressure, as it would reinforce the idea that the eurozone economy is in a state of stagflation and that the ECB is far away from increasing interest rates. So with all of this in mind, I think it's a good idea to keep a close eye on the euro during the next week or so. That being said, if you want to learn more about the euro and the factors that could cause its price to go up or down in the near future, I strongly suggest that you read a book called Euro by John Kicklighter. It's a really great resource that I personally use from time to time to get a better understanding of the euro and the factors that could affect its price in the short term and in the long term. The good thing is that it's a very easy and enjoyable read. So I think it's perfect for anyone who wants to learn more about the euro but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.